gentlemen, welcome to Unison's weekly fundamental analysis. Today our topic will be covering US dollar index, AUD/USD, and USD/JPY. So the first thing that we notice is the US dollar index. So the US dollar index fell sharply since last Friday, hitting the 93-point mark, which is the lowest since 21st of September. So what is the major cause? As we can see, the Democratic Party, Biden has a higher chance of winning the upcoming US election. So a large scale of economic stimulus plan will be proposed. So it will be a long-term devaluation of the US dollar. Alright, so no matter which party wins the general election, there will be a large-scale stimulus plan, and there is no sign of relief from the pandemic, which keeps the US dollar under pressure. Alright, so the next thing that we will see is the Australian dollar against US dollar. Alright, so from Deutsche Merchant Bank, is expected that the Australian dollar's gains against the US dollar will be limited in the short term, and the medium term will rise due to the weak US dollar. So as long as the outside world has some speculation about some economic easing measures that the Reserve Bank of Australia will take, there's no room for the Australian dollar to rise further. However, as the Fed shifts to the average inflation target, the US dollar should be weakened. It is expected that it will push the Australian dollar rise, so we can pay attention to go long, alright, because the US dollar is still weak. Okay, so the next thing we will see is the USD/JPY. Alright, same from the Deutsche Bank. In the midterm to long term of low inflation, the US dollar is expected to decline against the yen. So compared with other major central banks, the central banks of Japan's response to the COVID-19 pandemic is not so expansionary, so leading to shrinking inflation. So this will increase the purchasing power of the Japanese yen and therefore have the potential to appreciate. So in addition, coupled with the weakening of the US dollar, so the chances of short selling the USD/JPY are higher. Alright, so thanks for today. Thank you very much.